Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Artaba Mukhlisin. I'm from Department of Pharmacy, Faculty of Health of Science, University of Muhammadiyah Malang. Today I will present our studies about ergogenic activities from some plants. The title of our research is Ergogenic Activities of Some Plants of Family Araliaceae on Mus musculus. This research was carried out by several people, including myself and Pirasti Agung Nugraha Sumadi, Angga Wahyu Hidayat, Nehru Marino Awal, and Ahmad Sabrun Jamil. First, we want to talk about the background of the study. Ergogenic substances are substances that help increase endurance or be defined as the equipment, techniques, and substance used to enhance sports performance. Ergogenic aids can be classified into various forms such as nutritional, pharmacological, and psychological aids. Ergogenic also means tonic, an ingredient used to increase stamina, endurance, and minimize fatigue. One of the most well-known natural ingredients as an ergogenic substance is ginseng. However, ginsengs have high price and its limited availability triggered research to find plants that can substitute ginseng as a tonic. In several studies, plant metabolite compounds correspond to their taxonomic character. Indonesia is a country with abundant natural resources, which has the potential for high biodiversity. There are at least two popular plants of the same family with ginseng, the Araliaceae, namely the mangkokan or Notoponax scutellarium and kedondong laut, all Polycythia fruticosa. Based on semotaxonomic studies, plants with close familiarities have the same possible pharmacological potential, so the two relative abundant plant species are tested for ergogenic activity. Materials used in this research, we are using Panna ginseng root, Notoponax scutellarium, and Polycythia fruticosa leaf, caffeine, carboxymethyl cellulose sodium, ethanol 70%, transparent cylindrical pool, and well mice, Mus musculus. The method we use to extraction is Simplicia was cleaned and dried in indirect sunlight, then ground and stored in a dark closed bottle. The extract was made by maceration using 70% ethanol. 500 grams of dry powder was put into a stainless steel pan and add 1.5 liter of 70% ethanol, then soaked for 24 hours and stirring occasionally. The macerate is separated and reprocessed 3 times with the same type and amount of solvent. All macerate was collected and in a rotary evaporator until a thick extract was obtained, then weighed and the yield was recorded. For preparation, CMC sodium was weighed 250 milligrams and added to hot water while stirring until it was formed mucilage. Then added water up to 50 milliliters. 250 milligrams CMC sodium 0.5% is added with hot water, then stir until it forms mucilage. Then added with 250 milligrams caffeine as positive control, as well as the 90 milligrams uh, 9 as well as 490 milligrams, 980 milligrams, and 1960 milligrams extract as test compound, and stir it until homogeneous and add aqua to 50 milliliters. As many as 40 mus musculus were used and grouped into 11 treatment groups, one group of negative control, one group of positive control, and 9 test groups. The stamina test on mice will be carried out using the forced swimming test method between 10 EM to 1 p.m. The test was carried out 3 times on the first, third, and 5 days. A transparent cylindrical pool with a 20 centimeters diameter and a height of 20 centimeters was prepared and filled with water with a temperature of 24 to 25 degrees Celsius as high as 10 centimeters. Mice will do a swimming test for 15 minutes, then observed the duration of the first time the mice did not show any activity to fight for themselves to get out of the vessel other than effort to keep their heads above the water. This ergogenic effect test research used the forced swimming test method, a pharmacological screening method to determine the effect of drug acting on motion coordination, significantly decreasing and increasing central nervous control. This method can test the ergogenic effect of tonicum, which strengthens the body and can increase work activities in carrying out activities. Apart from inducing fatigue, this method is often used to measure the antidepressant activity of compound or drug. Mice who do the swimming test will tend to experience depression because mice are not aquatic animals. From the ANOVA analysis using the honestly significant difference, it was found that panaginseng could increase the mice stamina at a dose of 980 milligrams for 20 grams body weight and 1960 milligrams for 20 grams body weight on the first day to the fifth day because there were significant difference with negative control. While at low dose 490 milligrams for 20 grams body weight, there was no significant difference. And then all of Kedondong Laut groups had no significant difference with negative control except for the high dose in the dose of 1960 milligrams for 20 grams body weight group on the 5 day. So it can be stated that Kedondong Laut was only able to increase the mice stamina with a high dose on the 5 days of the experiment. Meanwhile, all group of Mangkoan had no significant difference with negative control. So it could be said that Mangkoan at the dosage of compound tested failed to increase the mice stamina. Conclusion from this research, panaginseng and Polycias fruticosa or Kedondong Laut could increase mice stamina at dose of conclusion from this research, panaginseng and Polycias fruticosa or Kedondong Laut could increase mice stamina at a dose of 980 milligrams for 20 grams body weight and 1960 milligrams for 20 gram body weight on all day for ginseng or panaginseng, and a dose 1960 gram for 20 gram body weight on the 5 day for Kedondong Laut. In comparison, Nothopanax sucitellarium or Mangkoan can increase the mice stamina. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.